Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to enable notifications for the pages you follow on Facebook using your PC. Staying updated with the latest posts and updates from your favorite pages has never been simpler. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications to access your notification preferences. Here you can customize how and when Facebook notifies you about different activities. Scroll down through the notifications menu until you find the section labeled Pages You Follow. Click on this to view the notification settings for the pages you're interested in. To ensure you receive notifications from these pages, you need to enable the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. By doing this, you'll get updates whenever your favorite pages post new content or engage in activities you care about. Enabling these notifications is a great way to stay engaged with the content that matters most to you. Whether it's news, entertainment, or community updates, you'll never miss a post again. Plus, it helps you maintain an active presence on Facebook by keeping you informed about the latest happenings from the pages you follow. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Facebook experience and ensure you're always up to date with the content you love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your social media presence.